guys, today I filmed this look right here. This is like a really nice like toasty peachy color, summery, kind of fall maybe. I don't know what's happening. My sister told me that summer finishes the end of September, so I was like, wait, I haven't done a summer makeup look this year, so I'm gonna do one before I run out of time. So this is what I came up with. I really love it. I think it is so beautiful. It was easy to do and it just looks so good. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I can't stop looking at the mirror because it looks so pretty in person. I hope it translates on camera just as pretty. And I also, by the way, there are a lot of you guys that are new here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy to have you. But those of you guys that are still watching and haven't even subscribed yet, what you doing? We can't have this nonsense out here watching my videos. You haven't subscribed yet. What's happening? What's happening? Alrighty, so let's jump right into the makeup tutorial. First thing we're gonna do is prime the face. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. This did cost $1 and it does feel a little like silicone-y and it has kind of like a sparkle to it, but it basically just kind of blurs out the pores a little bit, and I don't know, I kind of like it. I've been using it pretty often these days, so I'm trying to see if I like really like it or if I'm like whatever about it. I'm kind of like in that stage. For today's look, I want to do something fresh. I want to do something glowy. So I'm going with the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream. I use the shade number 23, which when I take it out of the bottle, it looks gray. Like you can't really tell how gray that is, but it's pretty freaking gray. It always shocks me every time I see it, guys. Like it literally always shocks me. In that, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Josie Maran Argan Enlightment Illuminizer. Just like the tiniest. Hello? Am I running out? And I'm putting a very light layer. I want it to look very radiant and healthy, very like glass-like, just very pretty, just a thin coverage. If you guys want like a thicker coverage, that's totally nada. I just want my skin to look very healthy and moisturized. Today, summer is almost over. My sister told me that summer ends technically, I think, at the end of September. I mean, here in Miami, summer is all year round. I don't know what any other seasons are, but I'm taking advantage that it is still summer. I didn't film like a summer makeup look for you guys. And this like peachy look that I'm going for, I feel like it's really good like for summer, even for fall, like a nice like toasty peach, like it's really fall-y, really pretty, reminds me of like pumpkin spice lattes. Next, I'm going in with this Skin Food Salmon Dark Circle Concealer. I love this. I swear by this. Did I get this on Amazon? I think I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $10. Either way, wherever I got it, I'm gonna figure it out for you guys. I'll link it down below. This is amazing. If you have a skin tone similar to mine, or even like a little bit lighter, you can use this really nice like light salmon-y color to correct any under eye circles. There's a lot of times that I don't even use like a bright concealer. I just put this and out the door because I like it that much. But today we're gonna go in with a concealer. I just bought this with the VIB Rouge 20% off sale at Sephora. I'm so excited to try this. This is the Born This Way new concealer. Look at how big that is. That's crazy. It's so big for a concealer. I have it in the shade Vanilla. I'm hoping this is like a good shade match for me. I think it will be, but we'll see. Oh yeah, that's good. It's very like yellow, so it's gonna help brighten everything. I hope this works out good. Please, Jesus. I'm gonna blend the concealer out with the Morphe M536. I'm like, M536? Ooh. That's pretty easy to blend out. Wow. I'm giving it just a little blend with the sponge so it can blend in with everything else. That looks really pretty and really bright. Okay, I'm happy. I love when I find products that I really like, so I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is much lighter than the concealer I just used. I'm going to use a little bit on the center of the face. I want to keep those areas pretty bright and I want to bring a lot of light to the center. So I'm just putting it on my forehead, on my chin, Cupid's bow, and down the bridge of the nose. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it with the same sponge that I use for my foundation. Now I'm gonna grab my very very sad looking Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm going in with my sponge and then I'm just tapping the excess right here on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna start pushing that onto my under eye. I saw that Laura Mercier came out with a translucent setting powder, but it's like the glow version, and I saw that someone reviewed it and said that it's like kind of awful. I don't know, because it intrigued me because I love a glowy setting powder, because you guys know I love to look like radiant and glowy and dewy and like all that stuff. I'm gonna set my face. I'll explain. A little thing that I've been doing lately is setting my face in between certain layers. What was that? I do like my skin to look like hydrated and healthy and not cakey and not powdery, and that's a little trick that I've been doing lately and I really like it. I'm like not the person that invented this, but just letting you know, just passing the word along. So if you've been having trouble with some cakey foundation, then maybe that might help, because maybe it's just too much powder on the face. Like right now, like look, you see how my skin looks? It just looks like skin. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in deep brown. Guys, gals, oh my god, I am obsessed with this. I bought like 5 of them, like 4 or 5. It's so good. There's a video that I've been wanting to film and I keep forgetting to. I want to film a video that's like how to look beautiful without makeup. Now, you guys know how I am, you guys know me, and you know my viewpoint on things and on life and stuff for the most part, because I like to talk to you guys about that stuff. So you know that I do think that everyone is obviously beautiful and all that stuff. So that's not what the video is not implying the opposite, but it's just like little tips and tricks that like I do to like look alive and vibrant and I guess pretty in my eyes without any makeup, you know? So let me know if you guys are interested in that video. Okay, so first thing is first, we're gonna go in with a little transition. This is Makeup Geek's Peach Smoothie. This is an amazing transition shade. Makeup Geek's eyeshadows are fantastic. Now, what I'm gonna do is just start blending that into the transition area. If you don't know where the transition area is, it is not the eyelid, not the brow bone, right here in the middle where the eye crease is. You see what kind of where like the socket is, the socket bone. I'm gonna build up that peach smoothie just a little bit more. I want it to kind of stand out more than just with one layer. Now I'm going into this shade right here in the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration palette. This is called Dream Street. I'm going to work that into the transition area right over the peach smoothie that we just put down. My throat feels like scratchy, itchy. I don't know if I'm getting sick or it's like allergies. I really hope I'm not getting sick. With that same shade, I'm gonna go into the lower lash line right here on the under eye, make it nice and smoky. Now I'm gonna go into this peachy shade right here. This is called I Owe You from Colourpop. It's a really nice peachy shade. I feel like it's actually perfect. I'm gonna start patting that shade onto my lid. Do you guys think Kylie Cosmetics is made at the same warehouse as Colourpop? You know how that myth has kind of like been going around? I feel like low-key it might be. I don't know what to believe these days. Now I'm going with a fluffy brush and I'm going to basically blend and mesh my transition colors with my lid color. I haven't put any new product on this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. This is stunning. This is beautiful. It's one of my absolute favorite freaking palettes. I'm going into this really pretty like burnt orangey peachy color. It's called Angel. I'm using the Morphe M506 and I'm going to start placing that color on the outer portion of my eyelid. I just want to add a little bit of dimension here before we wrap this up. I like how it's coming out. It looks very fall-y. Like I feel like this looks very spring, summer, fall. It works. I'm a big advocate on using all colors all the damn time for all seasons. Now with my fluffy brush, I'm just blending that out. I want it to blend in with the transition area. and I'm keeping it focused on the outer part of my eye. Now whatever's left on the brush, I'm going above the crease of my eye. You see right here where it kind of creases. This is where the bone is, where I would normally cut the crease. I'm just going in with whatever is left on that brush. It's gonna give it that kind of cut crease look, like right in this area. Just creating a little bit of shadow there. This is where I would normally cut the crease. See? So I'm blending in this like deeper orange. Now with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, which is the most amazing felt tip liner brush I have ever used, I'm going to create a nice wing, which I think is going to look perfect with this makeup look. The lashes I'm going to be using today are these babies here that are kind of clumped up in the corner. This is from the Sephora collection, Swanky number 33. I love these. They're so beautiful. While my lashes dry, I'm going to go into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to just start warming up your face. I'm kind of tired of looking a little ghostly. If you guys want me to put all the brushes I use, I can put them in the description box below. I can start doing that for all my videos if that's something you guys are interested in. Then I'm gonna go into the ABH contour shade right here. Fawn. There's a contour shade Fawn. Oh, it's like my cream contour. I didn't know they had the same name. Wow, duh, that would make sense. Okay, so the lashes are on and I am loving this look. This is so beautiful. Why didn't I do this sooner? Okay, let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna grab that same orange from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer portion of my lower lash line. For highlighter, let's mix these two guys right here. That's a really strong gold highlight. So if you have this palette or you're thinking of getting this palette, be aware that the highlighters are very powdery in the sense of like a lot of product comes out, but they're very, very strong. Like, look at that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Milani Make It Last. This is basically one of the other layers that I do. I do it kind of after this process, after the highlighter, but before blush, before mascara, before lip. And then after that, I go in with another round of setting spray. Okie, so from this color right here, I'm gonna grab a little bit and I'm going to put it right here under the brow. Now I'm gonna put some in the inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with some brow mascara. This is from NYX. I like to use a shade a little bit lighter than my actual brow hairs. I find that it makes my brows look like bushier and like there's more hair. Now for some mascara to help my falsies blend into my actual lashes. So I'm just putting some on my actual lashes, not on the falsies. And I'm putting some in my lower lash line. For blush, I'm using Bare Minerals from their Gen Nude collection. This is That Peach Though. It's really cute. It's a really, really nice peachy color. I'm just keeping it right here. Usually I like to bring it further out. Today I'm just concentrating it in this area. For lip color, I'm using the Huda Beauty Trendsetter Liquid Lipstick. I got this recently and I love it. It's the perfect toasty peachy color. Now I'm going to use the CoverGirl Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. Ooh, 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 look at how pretty. This is the finished makeup look. I love it. It looks so pretty. This is perfect for summer, for fall, for spring, for whenever. I don't care. I wear all the colors all the time and I think it looks so pretty and I feel like it was pretty easy to do. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this look. Let me know any other requests you guys have, any skincare, beauty, all of that good stuff. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a little orange hearts. Do we even have orange hearts emojis? Do we have orange hearts emojis? Well, if we have orange hearts emojis, leave them down below. Show me some love. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.